Which is why I liked The Last of Us, because that kind of had that sort of realistic vibe. Say, in a good
Oh,
stroke bad way. Yeah, I heard shots. But
I
if you
still hear
if
them.
yep, me too. Oh,
Hello?
player to our right, behind you, over there.
Where?
Yeah, going towards the bridge.
I see no one.
There's a guy just ran
I
towards the
didn't see him,
bridge.
but okay.
Yeah, I did. He's there.
Was he armed?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he was going towards the bridge.
Okay. Oh, a quad bike.
Oh, does it work?
I don't know, let me check.
Don't run out there, man. What are you doing? He was right there.
Why? I wanna check it.
I'll cover you.
Nope.
What? Once again. Welcome to the world of blue. I'm sorry, Raimi.